I'm back. Yeah, I'm doing these because it's so important. It's just so important to get these out so that people know what is going on. So, tip number three, to avoid income tax scams. This is my tip number three. I hope you are ready for this, okay? This is very important. See if they are open all year around. See if your income tax preparer, your accountant is open all year around. Okay. This is very important for your accountant to be ready to help you all year around. When a real accountant takes on an engagement, is for the betterment of their client and the reputation of the accountant. To be available if you have any questions is a sure sign of professionalism. The P word, professionalism. But if they are only around for 4 to 5 months, who will help you when you need something corrected on your tax return? All right. Now you have to spend some more money finding someone else who can help you correct something that person should have been able to correct for you. A real accountant is there all year around to take your phone calls, help you with your overall financial goals, and perhaps help you to start a business. All right. Their assistance is always there for you if you need them, because they're an accountant helps you with your financial goal. An accountant works with you during the whole year. An accountant looks at your personal net worth and your business net worth and help you evaluate how to be progressive in your profits and in your assets. That's what an accountant does versus an income tax preparer whom you only see once a year. How do you arrive at your financial goals? By seeing someone once a year. It just doesn't pan out, in all honesty. It doesn't. So don't be scammed by online predators, basement tax preparers, or 4 to 6 months pop up shops. Don't be scammed by them. Go to a reputable business with a track record and let a real accountant prepare your income taxes. Don't have your federal identity stolen by fraudsters. Protect yourself today by having a real accountant prepare your income taxes. And don't try to prepare your own income taxes. Have a professional handle that for you. I know you're pretty smart, but unless you know tax law, okay, unless you know tax law and have a degree, I am sure there are some credits and deductions that you're going to miss. That's just point blank, unless you know tax law. Okay? You will miss them, federal, state, or city, on your return, because tax law, we deal with federal, we deal with state, and we also deal with the city. So we understand the tax law and the code so that we're able to get our clients more of a benefit. Yes, all three income tax returns need to be filed if you're in a no state return or in a no state that, I'll say it to you this way so it's not confusing. If you're in a state that does not file taxes, right, you still have to file your local taxes. Your state may not require you to file, but what about where you live, that residency? Some residencies do not need you to file taxes, but in all honesty, most do, because that is how they're able to keep where you live in good standing. They're able to repair the roads. They're able to do storefront renovations. They're able to give grant money and do all these things because of where the residents pay what we call income tax revenue. All right. So at the end of the day, don't get income tax scammed. Please avoid this. Please avoid it and hire a real accountant. If you need me, you know where you can find me. Click the link below. Give me a phone call, but please do not get scammed. This is tip number 3. Tip number 3 simply says find out if they're around all year to help you. All right, thank you for listening. If you didn't get tip number 1, but go back and get it, or tip number 2, go back and get it. I'm sure to help you. All right, see you on the next one. Bye.